Hi, my name's Hillary Wong, and I'm a librarian here at SUNY Cortland. And I'm here to help you guys prepare for the research paper that you need to write for Dave. You're going to be writing a research paper for him as your final project, and it requires library research. So the librarian is here to help you. So in this tutorial, you're going to work through it, right? You're going to go through each page of it. You're going to read it to get some background on what you need to do. And then you're going to do a little escape activity for me, a virtual escape room, if you will. But it's not a room because you're going to be Voyager 2 trying to escape the solar system. So you'll answer the questions with answers that are here in the guide, right? You can refer back to the guide. This is what you need to do to get your participation grade for today. And you'll answer some questions at the end that are a little bit more open-ended, and then we'll discuss them when I come visit your class later. So please reach out to me if you have any questions. My contact information is on the contact tab, right, of the guide. It's also, there's a cute little box that says your friendly librarian or something. You can reach out to me that way. The main thing to know, if there's one main thing to know, is that I'm here to help you if you need it. That's my job, right? So you just reach out to me if you are having trouble finding sources, or if you aren't sure if something's a primary source or whatever. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm here and I'm happy to help. So have fun.